Everyone. So let's do a check-in. So close your eyes and place a hand or two over your heart center and take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And just relax that body, relax your shoulders, relax your neck. And take another deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. And just relax. Just take it easy. Allow the inhale and the exhale to flow. Allow your body to relax, your mind to relax. Just allow your shoulders to relax. Allow all of your organs to relax. Now take a moment to go into the heart center and listen deeply. Where is it that you aren't respecting yourself? Where is it in your life that you are not valuing yourself or showing yourself love and attention? Where is it that you aren't taking care of yourself? Maybe other people are taking your attention or your time. And you feel at the end of the day that you have very little left to give to yourself. Really acknowledge that. Acknowledge the fact that you need to give yourself a little bit more attention, more love. And where is it in your day that you can stop for a few minutes to give yourself that attention, that love? Where is it in your relationships that maybe you are allowing disrespect or someone to not value you? And how can you begin to step into your own self-worth, your own value, into your own respect? Because that is where it starts from. To build that strong foundation of self-love and self-respect within you, your heart, into your own being, and recognizing it. Because you are worthy, you are valuable, you are love. Give that to yourself. And once you begin to give that to yourself, then everyone else in your life will follow suit. So just take the time right now to listen to yourself and how you will love and respect yourself. And whenever you are ready, you can bring your awareness back into your body. or you can stay here as long as you like. I hope this helped you. Namaste.